Hey, my dear teachers, dear peers, this is one of my favorite games, and the majority of my students like it. And this game is like this. There's a group of students. This group is consisted of at least 4 students, even 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. That's fine. One of the students stands out in front of the whiteboard. We just imagine Amy is there. Amy stands outside, and Amy says, "I'm a teacher." Okay, the rest of the students has to listen to Amy. Amy says, "It's time to read your English book." So every student of this group has to read. Long time ago, there was a king, blah, 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 blah. And suddenly, Amy says, "Freeze." So everyone has to stop and freeze without moving physically. And simultaneously, Amy counts from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. During the counting time, Amy has to check who is moving physically. If any of them moves, and this student has to speak 1 sentence of English. Yeah, the rule is pretty basic and very simple, right? So Amy can be into the different positions. Amy can say, "I'm a captain. I'm a policewoman," etc. And she gives the order to the rest of students. Everyone has to follow her order. During the 10 seconds, counting from 1 to 10, during that time, if anyone moves physically, he or she has to speak 1 sentence of English. Because this game is really fun. Everyone loves it. If you don't believe it, just try it with your students. They will be very excited. They want to play it again next time. And also your teaching time is very easy, pleasant, and it's not boring at all. Guys, if you like this game, please give me a like. Thank you. Bye-bye.